There are 7 things sitting in your closet right now that are quietly adding years to how old you look, and the worst part is, you probably reach for them thinking they are safe, comfortable choices. They are not your fault, nobody ever sat you down and explained this, but by the end of this video, you will know exactly what they are, why they age you, and what to wear instead, starting today. Hey beautiful, welcome back to Glow at Every Age, the channel where we talk honestly about looking good after 60 without spending money you don't have to spend. If you're new here, welcome, I promise this is exactly the kind of practical advice you came looking for. And to my regulars, hello again, you know I always tell you the truth, even when it stings a little, because that's how we actually get better. Before we get into it, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. This channel is all about helping you look elegant and current after 60 without breaking the bank, and we post videos like this every week. Give this one a like too, it really helps more women find this information. And drop a comment letting me know, are you ready to find out if you're making any of these mistakes? I want to know. Here's something I want you to understand right away. None of these mistakes are about being unstylish on purpose. They happen because certain habits got comfortable, and comfortable habits are hard to question. But small changes, the kind that cost you nothing, can completely shift how put together and current you look. Let's get into it. Mistake 1, wearing everything oversized. Somewhere along the way, oversized became synonymous with comfortable, and comfortable became the default. But head-to-toe oversized clothing hides your shape completely and actually makes you look larger and older than you are. The fix isn't to wear anything tight, it's about proportion. Pair one relaxed piece with one fitted piece. An oversized sweater looks current with slim pants. Everything loose at once just reads as shapeless. Mistake 2, too much matching. Wearing a full matching set, same color, same fabric, head to toe, used to be the polished choice. Now it often does the opposite, it looks stiff and dated. Breaking up a matching set with a different colored top or a contrasting piece instantly feels more modern and intentional, even using the exact same pieces you already own. Mistake 3, ignoring your neckline. This one nobody talks about enough. A high, closed neckline on every single top can age your whole face by drawing a hard line right under your chin. Opening things up just slightly, a V-neck, a scoop neck, even a top button left undone, creates length and softness around your face that a closed collar simply cannot. Mistake 4, too many small prints. Tiny, busy floral prints in small repeating patterns were everywhere decades ago, and they have quietly stuck around in a lot of closets. The problem is, small busy prints can look fussy and dated at a glance. Larger, simpler prints, or solid colors with one statement accessory, read as far more current and put together. Okay. Quick pause before mistake number 5, because I have to ask, is any of this hitting close to home? If it is, that like button is right there, go ahead and tap it. And if you're not subscribed yet, this is your sign. Comment below and tell me which mistake surprised you the most so far. Mistake 5, skipping tailoring. Here's an honest truth, the exact same outfit can look expensive or look sloppy depending entirely on fit. Most off-the-rack clothing is not made for your specific body, and skipping a simple hem or a quick waist adjustment is often the difference between looking like you just threw something on and looking effortlessly elegant. A $5 tailoring fix can completely transform a $10 piece. Mistake 6, sticking to only muted, safe colors. Beige, gray, and navy feel safe, and there is nothing wrong with wearing them. The mistake is wearing only those colors, all the time, with nothing else mixed in. A pop of color, even just one accessory in a bold shade, instantly brings energy and life to an outfit and to your whole appearance. It doesn't have to be loud, it just has to exist somewhere in the look. Mistake 7, wearing outdated accessories. This is the one that surprises people most. Your clothes might be perfectly current, but a dated handbag, old-fashioned glasses, or jewelry that hasn't been updated in years can quietly drag the whole outfit backward. Accessories are often the cheapest, fastest update you can make, and they carry far more visual weight than people realize. The common thread. Notice something about all 7 of these. Not one of them requires buying a new wardrobe. Every single fix is about adjusting what you already own, how you pair it, how it fits, what you add or remove. That's the real secret behind looking current after 60. It has very little to do with money and everything to do with small, intentional choices. I want you to walk away from this video feeling encouraged, not criticized. Every single one of these mistakes is fixable today, with things already sitting in your closet. Looking current and elegant after 60 isn't about chasing trends, it's about making a few small adjustments that bring your whole look up to date. If this video gave you something to think about, that's exactly why I make these every week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, give this video a like if you're walking away with at least one change you're ready to make, and tell me in the comments which of these 7 mistakes you're guilty of. No judgment here, we've all done it. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, stay elegant.